I'll be teaching you guys how to design your thumbnail using CapCut, how I do it and it works for me. So if it's something you want to learn, please stay tuned and watch. Let's go. So guys, for this tutorial, I'll be turning my phone upside down because I want you people to be seeing everything that I'm doing. You understand? But when you're doing your own, you don't need to turn your phone upside down. The first thing you're going to do is to open your CapCut. You click on New Project. You select your background. That's the first thing you're going to do. You select your background. So I downloaded this background from Meta AI. In case you want to download your background, I'll just choose this plain background. That's the first thing you want to do. The next thing you're going to do is to choose the ratio. So I'll be choosing 16:9. That is YouTube standard. You use your finger and you zoom it. So the next thing you're going to do is to add your text. You choose your size, you reduce it. They've given you a lot of options to choose from. So you just click on the one that best suits what you want to do. Okay, when you're done, you click. Then add another text. You can decide to change the color of this. You can choose any color you want. Using, I think I want this to be black. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is going to overlay. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to place this here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my image. After choosing your image, you remove the background. You see remove background, auto remover, you remove your background. You know, using CapCut to design my thumbnail, this is one of the reasons why I prefer CapCut, because when you use Canva, you cannot remove your background unless you are paying for it. You cannot use the free tool to remove your background. So that's why when I discovered this using CapCut, I was so excited. If you're like me that don't have money, this is the best thing you're going to do. So after you've done this, the next thing you want to do is to screenshot. The reason why we are screenshotting, you screenshot, then you crop out this place. The reason why we are screenshotting is because CapCut is basically for video editing. So if you export it, it will start playing as a video. That is it. That's the easiest way to design your thumbnail using CapCut. Don't forget to like this video, share and comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye.